This is the new standard for folding e-bikes. Meet the Velotric Fold 1 Plus. This folding e-bike has a 750 watt motor, is completely waterproof, and definitely packs a punch. Today, we go over all of the details and everything you need to know about your very own Velotric Fold 1 Plus. All right, so today we are going over all of the features, benefits, everything you need to know about this awesome bike, and then we're taking it for a ride. But let's go over the obvious first. It folds completely in half. In fact, it folds up to a package that is only 38 by 19 by 33 high. And it folds in half, and the handlebars fold up to this nice, convenient package. And with these locking clips in place, and it quickly unfolds. That way you can take it in and out, up and down, and get it in and out of the way. It even has folding pedals here. Boom. All right, you can definitely see how easy that was. Let's go ahead and go over all of the specs and everything you need to know about the important details here. As you can see, we picked out the electric blue, but it also comes in a stone gray, a pearl white, and an awesome mango color. But people definitely love this electric blue because it has a beautiful metal flake in it. All right, now one of the huge benefits of this over other bikes is that sensor swap technology. So you can actually switch it from cadence to torque mode on the fly. So if you're on the trail or if you're on the path here, you can switch it up for whatever riding style you want. And in fact, riding styles, it has 3 of them. It has a trail, a boost, and an eco mode. And with 5 levels of pedal assist, you have 15 different riding modes. That's awesome. All right, so this one does have Velotric's Comfort Max system. So it does have an adjustable super padded seat and adjustable handlebars up and down, so it fits just about any rider. And that definitely helps when you're folding it up. All right, talking about the comfort, it has a 390 millimeter step over height, which is not bad for getting on and off with ease. As you can see, it has 20-inch by 3-inch tires that are puncture-proof and has a 180 millimeter hydraulic brake that'll definitely get you going and stop nicely. To add to that comfort, you have a 60 millimeter travel suspension in the front that absorbs nice and well, and it is adjustable and has a lockout on it. Now, under here, under the seat, you can see you do have a removable battery. Now, this battery comes out and is completely waterproof, and you can take it inside and charge it, which is super nice. Now, like I said, this one has a waterproof battery, but also an IPX6 rated frame. So you have an IPX7 rated battery and an IPX6 rated frame, which means you can definitely take it out and power wash it down. All right, so that motor has 750 watts of power with 75 Newton meters of force, which is definitely enough to get you going up most inclines around the park here. Now, to go with that IPX7 rating, it is UL certified, so you can bring this inside most places and store it a lot of places other bikes can't be stored. Now, this does have a 130 lux headlight with auto on and off and built-in turn signals, which is new for the Velotric series. Now, talking about the technology, now it does go well with the new Velotric app, so you have all of those features and consistent updates, as well as the Apple Find My and Apple Health features, and you can kind of see where this is at any time. Now, you get all of this in one awesome, tiny but powerful package. Right now, they're available for $14.99 directly from velotricbike.com. Make sure you go down and check the description for the exclusive code and all of the information you need to know to get your own. All right, I think we've gone over all of the details you need to know. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. All right, I'm ready to take this thing out for a spin. As you can see, it's ready to go. So it's in cadence mode right now, and in boost, I'm gonna turn it down to eco so we can get a nice ride on here. Very smooth, super smooth. This thing is super smooth and super torquey. All right, I'm gonna bump her up into 5 here. And actually, we're gonna go into boost. to definitely get you up and going with that 750 watt motor. And you can see this thing is comfortable to ride. I'm in an upright, nice comfortable seating position. The seat is pretty comfortable as well. And I like the fact that you can adjust the handlebars up and down as well as the seat, because I can raise it up a little bit and drop the seat down like I want. This thing is pretty fun. Get all the way up to 28 miles an hour. Not a bad little ride there. And with that 68-mile range, to say we didn't even make a dent in that battery. So right off the bat, first impressions, this thing is a quick, light, and nimble e-bike. Honestly, it is super torquey. It is with that 750 watt motor and these tiny little tires. This thing is super torquey, but has enough, definitely smooth enough so you don't feel like you're going to fly off the back. Now, I definitely think that's because of Velotric's technology there and their Comfort Max system, but definitely gives you a nice, smooth riding experience. All right, so you see, we had an absolute blast out there. This thing is extra zippy. So it does come with a 2-year warranty, and I do want to mention the assembly. This is one of the easiest assemblies we've ever done. All you got to do is unbox it, unfold it, and then you're ready to go. So make sure you check out all of the details, everything you need to know down in the description. Check out that exclusive discount code, and I will see all of you on the next one. Deuces.